you want to check whether your Windows is activated with fake license or if it is licensed or permanently activated. So let's see how you can check. So first of all, you have to click on right click on start menu, open settings. If you have Windows 11, here if you search activate, so you will see activation settings. Over here if you see this green tick and activation status, if you click on the drop down menu, you will see Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. That means this license is linked to my Microsoft account that I use to log in my laptop. So it is linked to that. Maybe in your case it is a digital license, so it will show a different message, or if you use a license key, it may show a different message. But now I will show a different method how you can check. So first of all, you have to open CMD. Over here you have to search SLMGR space slash XPR. Hit enter. So now you can see a message: Windows Professional Edition, the machine is permanently activated. So if it is showing this message, that means you have a valid license installed on your machine, or it is permanently activated. If it is something different, that it means you have a wrong Windows license installed. It is just showing activated, but it is not. So let me know in the comment what is showing in your case, and I will help you to get it fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.